Hi, we are here at CES in the Resideo booth, and we are going to give you a sneak peek around. Let's go look at some of our newest product innovations.
Last year at CES, we announced the smart home security system, and this year we have deepened the integration with Amazon Alexa. So now there's full support for Amazon Music, iHeartRadio, and TuneIn Radio. We're also announcing Google Voice integration, so you can similarly control your system, and an if this, then that integration.
So we're here at CES showing our next generation security and control platform that's professionally installed. Operation of the system is extremely simple. It's automatic.
So we just announced the new T9 and T10 Pro smart thermostats, and the major addition is the benefit of smart room sensors, which help better manage those hot and cold spots throughout your home. These thermostats integrate with the major voice assistants, so it's as easy as saying, "Hey Alexa," or "Hey Google, set the kitchen to 70 degrees when the kitchen starts heating up while you're cooking dinner for the family."
I hope you've enjoyed the booth tour and seeing all the new innovations that Resideo and Honeywell Home are bringing to market. Here you'll see our partnership wall and the works with Honeywell Home. These partners make our ecosystem even stronger. Check out HoneywellHome.com for more information.